Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this DCH273 Type 2 Dewalt SDS machine. It works, but it doesn't sound too good and it's not hammering. So I'm going to get it open to see what's going on with it. It's going to be a quick video today. So now we've got inside, I'm going to show you what's wrong. I'll lift this out first. That needs a bit of attention. That is actually stuck. That's actually supposed to be moving. And as a result, it broke this little connecting rod. This part and this part should be one piece. See, they go together. So that's what's wrong. It broke the connecting rod, but it broke it because that striker had seized. So that's what's wrong with this. This is quite a simple fix. What we have to do is replace the connecting rod and grease up this this hammer. So my first step is probably trying to get this out of here, which mightn't be that easy. There it is. Yep, there's no resistance. That O-ring is completely, look at that O-ring. That O-ring's actually broken. So that needs replaced. Definitely. That's completely snapped. So we need to grease this shaft here, and we need to grease the inside of that. And replace the O-ring. That's dry as well. Yep. So that's how you service the hammer. I'm just going to show you now. Have a second hand fresher one of these, so I'm just going to use it. And I'll discard that one. That one would do if we hadn't got a spare one, but I like this one. Seems in good condition. And also we have a brand new O-ring for this. So we're going to replace that too. This is some Bosch grease that I have. I like using this. This is the real good stuff. You can also use Makita grease I have, and I might put a link in the description, because if you're only doing one unit, the bottle's a better size and a better price. So we're going to just put this O-ring on here now. Good job. And we'll grease the inside of this tube here too. That's maybe a bit too much, but I'll take some of that out. That's it. That's well greased now. What you want to have when you're servicing this is resistance, not pushing back at you like that. Gives you a good strong hammer. And when we're at it, we'll grease down the inside of that, because that needed it. Because if you remember, that was stuck in there. That shouldn't be stuck, because that's a moving part. That should be moving all the time. It should not be stuck at any point. So our next step is removing this. That's that out anyway. That and back in. And So here we are, everything's greased up, the hammer's been serviced, and this part has been replaced, and this O-ring has also been replaced as part of the hammer service. So we're going to just put it together and give her a go, but that should sort everything out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, keeps me giving you helpful videos every week, and consider becoming a member of this channel if you're interested, and give me a bit of extra support. At this point in putting it together, a little switch clean is hard to beat. So here we are, I've reassembled her, we're all back together, ready to go, and we're going to test it out to see. We weren't hammering, so we'll start off in the drill mode, or in the drill mode. Hear the hammer, get harder sound, and last but not least, chisel mode, hammering away. So I'm calling that fixed.